it's April from gettingmyacttogether.com, and we're doing the 30-day decluttering challenge, and this is day 6. I wanted to talk today about the actual stuff that you declutter. I know most of my videos have kind of focused more at just like clearing off spaces, decluttering spaces and getting things out, but I haven't really talked about getting rid of stuff that much. And I do think it's important, if you have too many things in your home, to get rid of stuff. And it's not just for the sake of getting rid of stuff. I'm not like, oh, people shouldn't own things. No, I like owning things, you know. It's to make your home more habitable. And if your home's already habitable, then maybe you don't need to declutter. But if you are like me and you're drowning in too many things to keep up with and you can't find things because you got too many things, then you need to declutter and get some things out. So anyway, that's where I'm at. I am not, I've noticed a lot of the videos on decluttering on YouTube are done by people who are extremely already decluttered and extremely neat looking houses. Okay, I'm not coming at you from the end point of a journey. I'm coming from the middle of the journey, still having to do a lot of decluttering myself. I'm sharing my 30-day decluttering challenge because I couldn't find one I really liked online to commit to, and so I'm showing you what I'm doing for mine, and I'm sharing it in case you want to join me or have some inspiration. So today I'm going to show you my trunk. This is day 6, and I went ahead, I've already done the decluttering part. I worked on my storage room again because we might be moving this summer, and those storage bins are all things I'm obviously not using. So I have to work on there. Also, it's season change time, right? So we all have to get our kids' closets, get those changed out. And I have 4 kids, and so it's like, say one needs size 16 pants this year. Well, in order to get size 16, I got to go through all those hand-me-down bins to find the size 16s. And so that's what I did this weekend, and it was exhausting, back-breaking work. But anyway, so here's my trunk now, and I'm trying to hold it where you can see it. This is so cute. You can see at some point somebody used this as a playhouse. It was probably my youngest son. But anyway, so I have bags of clothes, just bags of clothes that we're done with. That one has some books in it that I found that no one's reading, and that one has some decor items that I actually still like. But I'm having to get rid of some decor items that I like because I have no room for my house for them, and I can't keep moving boxes and boxes of pretty decorations that I don't have room for, because then the boxes of decorations are blocking the boxes of hand-me-downs that I need, and then I have to go to Kohl's and spend all this money. You get the idea. Like, the stuff that I want but can't use is blocking the stuff that I need. So that's my spill. So anyway, so check out, my trunk is nice and full. Now the next step is to actually make myself go and drop it off. We have a Goodwill like right by my house, so I have no excuses. Anyway, it's also Monday for day 6, so I feel like on Monday the living room always needs a major overhaul, and this probably isn't going to turn up anything that can end up in my trunk. This is all going to be decluttering for the sake of living in a clean, neat space, and all of it's just going to be going right to boys' rooms and my room and the kitchen and the laundry, just all the stuff that people left around. So yeah, it's Monday, and on every Monday, my living room looks like this. Right? So I would say day 6, declutter the living room. In fact, I think every Monday should be recover the living room from the weekend and give yourself a pat on the back. Happy decluttering!